loving in the way that I should. Girls are just like this. I would give you love it, give you love it. Girls are just like this. Give you love it, give you love it. Girls are just like this. I would give you love it, give you love it. Girls are just like this. Girls are just like this. I would.
Got a big smile.
Girls are just like this.
Mary Kate and Ashley Olsen. Put those hands together.
Hi, everyone.
Well done, girls. Well done. All right. Well, we want to welcome everybody up here. Harold, Spencer, Brianna, Madison, Chelsea, Lizzie, and we're going to keep the girls up here. You guys want to play some Pictionary? A couple quick rounds of Pictionary to get started this week?
All right, that's cool.
All right, let's do it, dog.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, they both have to do with the water. 3, 2, 1, go. They're out of the gate running. They're communicating well. She's going to the right. I see one short stroke over here. I'm going over. Jet ski, close. Stay there going jet ski. We got banana boat.
Yes! 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 Say yes!
You got Wave Runner? Who got Wave Runner?